Being a teacher is so much more than just what happens in class. You know, the classroom is important and you want that to be quality, but it's also about establishing relationships. It's about establishing the relationships with your students. It's also about establishing relationships with employers and other people in the community so that you can help your students to get internships, to get jobs, to do those things above and beyond that are really going to make them successful.
Professors here at MTSU are unlike any I've ever seen.
You don't feel like you're like just one in a million.
I feel like it's a small family. All of the teachers know me, even the teachers that I haven't had in class.
The individualized attention that you can get is outstanding. I've gotten emails back at 2:30, 3 o'clock in the morning from a professor helping me on a particular project. And you're not going to get that many with other places.
You know, when you go to job fairs, then they see that you're from MTSU, and then your resume goes to the top just because you're from MTSU, and that feels good.
I've never felt like a teacher. I've always felt like a mentor. So I really like that one-on-one contact with students, but also with employers. To me, the networking with not only our students, but also people here on campus and people in the community is an asset for our students.
I like how the program offers a variety of different things within the information technology field.
They give you both theoretical knowledge so you can continue learning on your own after you get out of school, and like hands-on experience. So when you get out of school, it's not just, you have to be taught all these things and physically how to do them by your job. You're ready to go in and perform by the time you graduate.
When you get out of this program, you have the opportunity to go branch out into several different fields within the information technology field. They give you basically the whole thing.